Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be sinking the nomadic. So we go to, let's see, choose ship, nomadic. Let's see this one. So, this is, gonna be quite nice. I mean, let's just look at the ship for a second, got, all the sections and stuff. Let's just, NPC controls. There we go. Should load in. And, let me just open, the water trap doors. Okay, we're going to sink her from the, like this side of the ship. Okay, yep, immediately lowering the lifeboats. Good, good. Yep. And then... Uh-oh. They just cut the ropes, but it's stuck. Uh-oh. Although, there's only 2 lifeboats. Yeah, I think they're cooked. Dun, 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 dun. Uh-oh. Yep, oh yeah, this ship is going down fast now. Yeah, they're cooked. Yep. There it goes. Oh my god, that thing just fell underwater. Jeez. That thing just, damn. That was short, literally. Just for how short that was, I'm gonna be doing the cargo ship as well. The only problem is this doesn't have any lifeboats, so almost everybody's gonna die. Well, it has 1 lifeboat, but yeah, a lot of people are going to die. So we go up here. It's a freaking ramp. You just drop it. Now let me do a stern sinking here. Look, yep, they know. It's too late, bruh. Yep, they're just going. They're rushing. Oh. They should drop the lifeboat now. Too late. The lifeboat's out, but... Jeez. Damn. That is just sad. Look at it. It's just sinking. And then we go up here. Yep. Final plunge. Run. Run. Nah. They all fell. Slowly going down, just slowly. That is just sad. Trim is 87. I believe the trim on the ship is like, how far the stern is from the bow, and the list is 177 degrees. Yep, just slowly going down. The final plunge, the giant thumb, is going down. Like a thumb in a bathtub. Yep, there it goes. There she goes. Alright, rest in peace to the cargo ship and the nomadic. Yep. there she goes. Final piece of steel. Okay, that should be it for the video. Oh, and I do have one last thing to show you guys before the video's end. So I go, to my apps. Okay, so me and my friend. Okay, one, I don't know what the heck is wrong with this server I'm in and Discord. Where every time I leave and rejoin the app, it has a new announcement in the server, even though. But other than that, there's this fun server that I'm in, 30 members. So I'd suggest you guys want to join. The owner is Bork. He's one of my friends. You guys get to do movies, and hey, you may even get to join some of my videos and his too. Hold on, let me get to the rules. This is the rules. Pause the video if you can't catch up with that. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, or afternoon, and I will